Hey yo, what's up guys? I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I ordered Josiah some New Balance recently, and I just got the notification that they have been delivered. He is about to get off the bus in a few minutes, so I'm about to head out and pick him up. But when I bring him in the house, I'm gonna unbox him on the channel. I want to know. Obviously, I don't know his reaction. I want to know if I've turned my son into some type of hype beast. He's used to getting Jordans and LeBrons and KDs and Kyries and Nike and all this other New Balance. These New Balances are super dope to me, and I got them for $20. So I couldn't pass them up. I could not leave them just sitting there for $20. So, and that's with shipping and everything. It's $20 total. So anyway, I want us to do this together. I want all of us to see his reaction. And I want to know, is he going to be just as appreciative and excited about getting these as he was for his LeBrons? He actually unboxed his Paul George's Nikes on the channel, so y'all can go back and watch that video, reaction to that, if y'all want. But I gotta get out of here. He's about to get off the bus. So I'll see y'all in a few minutes, and we're gonna see where he at with it. YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World and Josiah in the building. We have another unboxing on the channel. It's actually been a little while since we unboxed something. We've been picking up stuff at the store, but this isn't for me this time. As y'all know, I got my Soul Flies coming, but I told Josiah that he's also going to be getting a surprise. He has no idea, once again, what's in the box. So
it's for me.
It's for him.
Me.
So we're going to see what he got. You want to cut it or you want me to cut it?
I'll cut it.
You going to cut it? Be careful. What's that?
This is intimidating.
Slow down. Don't cut my arms off. Go this way.
Ooh.
There you go. Right down the line. Slowly. Okay, cut across. Cut across. Watch your thumb. Okay. Should be, we good. Little piece. Alright, that's good enough. I'm gonna go full beast mode on this anyway. Y'all know how I do it.
Ooh.
Alright, this should be good.
So bad for the box.
I'll close this. Hold on, wait a second.
Ooh, I want to get to this surprise.
Alright, go ahead, crack into it. Let's see what we got. Sneaks. Okay. What we got? Take it out. Come on.
Okay.
I don't think he's ever seen this type of box. What we got in here? Get it up here so people can see it, so everybody can see what you're getting. You got a New Balance box. A lot of people like to know what's on the tab. Size 4. It doesn't have a color. It doesn't have a color blocking. It doesn't tell you. Size 4 though. New Balance box.
A whole bunch of wrapping paper.
Alright.
No color.
Let them see both sides of both shoes.
Ooh. I can play football with this.
Football? Oh.
Set, hike.
Alright, so what we got? These are New Balance. How you feel about these joints?
I've never seen them.
You've never seen them before, but how do you feel about the shoes? They're your shoes.
I like them.
You like them?
A lot.
You sure?
Yeah. I've seen people wear these at my school.
You've seen people in school. You don't seem too excited like when you opened your Paul George's.
I like them.
You know when your voice get mad high? It's like, yeah, I like them.
No,
I think
I
these.
like them.
Do you?
Yeah.
I like them too. I hope you do, because you wearing them.
When I saw people in my school wearing them, I thought it was a Skechers.
I thought these were Skechers. No, these are New Balances. Now, obviously for 8-year-old, these are like fly knit too. These are super soft and light. You gotta take the stuff out the toe.
There's nothing in it.
Oh, okay. You already took it out. These are the New Balances 247s. Now this colorway is what got me. But on an 8-year-old, I already know these are probably gonna be beat, and you might get them dirty in the house. He beats stuff so fast. But
come on.
For what I paid for these joints right here, I couldn't pass them up, man. I couldn't leave them. So I had to check out, had to put them in the cart. So
yeah.
Anywho, all right. I just wanted to come on here and unbox everything that's coming to the house, everything that's coming to the channel, man.
Everything that's coming to the couch.
Everything that's coming to the couch. I like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, but anyway, we're going to get out of here, man. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff coming. I got the Soul Flies coming. It's Bread Toe Jordan 1 week, and I will be taking y'all with me hopefully when I hit on those. I'm speaking things into existence, so I'm saying that I'm getting those. So when I go pick those up, hopefully Joso Dav will be with me, and we'll do a little mall vlog, pickup vlog for those as well. But without holding y'all too much longer, I just wanted to get his reaction to these. We out. OVE!
Dad's side.